Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech. Today we're going to compare the new Amazfit GTS versus Xiaomi Mi Watch. As you can see, we have 1.65-inch AMOLED Gorilla Glass 3 and the GTS and ambient light sensor. Also we have 1.78-inch AMOLED screen and ambient light sensor 2 in the Mi Watch. As you can see, in the right side we have two buttons in the Mi Watch and one button in the GTS, and we have the microphone as well. Done, we have nothing else, and we have the SD card in the Mi Watch in the left side. So let's begin with the GTS first, and we will see the software. You can see we have these beautiful watch faces. Starting from the first one, we have this one as well. As you can see, we have steps, distance and burn calories. Also we have the weather at the top and plenty of more options in this watch face. Let's get back to that one that we had before. And this one, as you can see, it tells you the weather in details for the whole week, and you will see your weather in the first page, which is very useful. We have heart rate and in the left. Next we have status, 4 steps. Up we have the taskbar with percentage of battery, date, time. We have torch, do not disturb, brightness and lock screen. Down we have here status that we saw before. We have the PAI, which is new, we don't have anything else on it. We have heart rate, we will test that a bit later. Workout, activities. Here in workout we have outdoor run, walking, training, pool swimming, climbing, trail walking, etc. We have plenty of options for sport. We have activities that I said before, weather, music control. We have alarm, event reminder, and we have settings here. More, we have compass, which we have to calibrate. Don't calibrate like this, but you have to go in infinite motion or infinite sign, and the watch, it will calibrate itself. As you can see, we have now here the compass. We can use it in the situation that we need it. We have timer, we have countdown, find phone, settings. In the settings we have watch faces that we saw before, and we have watch faces in the app as well. We have screen auto off. You can see the seconds we can change them. Press and hold the option, we can customize this option as well. We have always on display, 2 options for this, and we have here the system shutdown, factory reset, and etc. This was the GTS. Let's get back to the Xiaomi Mi Watch and see what we got. As you can see in the left we have some shortcuts. We have the date, the calendar, and we have an app, but it's all in Chinese. Up we have notification. Down we have the taskbar. As you can see, we have do not disturb, airplane mode, faces, voice, and other options like settings, gesture, torch, battery save, etc. We can see the percentage of battery, also the time as well. In the right we have the burnt calories, current steps, current stood, and we have here reminders. As you can see, plenty of details for that. Next we have heart rate, we have sports, we have the media app, weather, and we can change the tiles at the bottom. So you can see the Mi Watch is very simple, but even that, these are plenty of these options are in Chinese, which we can't use them. You can see the apps for, you can see the sports here, and we will try that all later. Here is the menu in general. We have all the apps and the options that we can use in this watch all in this session. Also, we can use the rotation button in the right side, which we saw before in the unbox video and other videos that we had with the Xiaomi Mi watch. Let's begin some tests, starting from the GTS. Down we have here the PAI. As we said, we don't have anything. Let's go to the heart rate. Let's wait until it measures our heart rate and we will see the results in the end. As you can see, we have the first result here. We can see in the bottom we have the statistic as well, which is a very good thing to have in today's smartwatches. We saw the sports here: walking, outdoor cycling, treadmill, pool swimming, elliptical rower, skiing and freestyle. So let's get back to the first one, outdoor running. The GPS, as you can see, is positioning. We can press go even though the GPS is not positioned yet, but we can use them. As you can see, we have the time at the top, seconds going, distance, pace and heart rate at the bottom. This is the first page. The GPS is available now, it's positioned. We can use now all the options. We have average pace, total ascending and total descending. We have seconds, stride length, consummation, and that's it. Now all these options will be saved in the app and we can track our own map that we did, our own data, etc., and that is very useful. Let's go now to the Mi watch, see how it will measure our heart rate and all the stuff that we did in the GTS. Press again here. As you can see, these options are all in Chinese. I'm just pressing things. You can see now the heart rate is measuring, so let's see how fast it will measure our heart rate. As you can see, we have the first result here. It's still measuring, but the Xiaomi Mi watch measured it almost the same as the GTS, which is not so surprised. We have here the sport 3-second countdown, and as you can see, we have the GPS at the top, time, the seconds going underneath. We have the heart rate and the heart rate zone at the bottom, as you can see with colors. We have all these data same as in the GTS. Also, we have more data, as you can see, but as I said, these are all in Chinese and we actually can't use them. So guys, this was all for today's video. I hope you find this video interesting and helpful. If so, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smartwatch.